everyone! In this video I'm going to make my last pair of second-hand jeans. I'm already cut the length and sewed the base of the skirt. You can check out the shorts for more details. I use a ruler to make the pleats. I don't calculate anything in advance. I just choose a ruler of the right size and pin it. I love to use something handy. I have some cotton left over from sewing the corset, and I'm going to use it as an insert. Trying on this construction, everything is fine. The top edge is shaped, and I need to transfer this line from one piece to another. I draw the line at a distance of 2 seam allowances from the edge. Then I put the second fabric on top and just pat. The line has been transferred. I cut off the excess and I sew the cut off part on the side. Make the part with pleats wider. At first I sew wrong side to wrong side and then face to face. It's because I am going to sew closed. Now I stitch along the upper cut to fix all the pleats, and I am making a video for the shorts at the same time. I fix only the first 5 cm of pleats to keep them closed. You can do more than that actually, but for now I'll stop at 5 cm. I put the pleated part inside and fix it to the base. I sew the side seams face to face to keep it clean. At the pocket entrance I folded the seam allowances and stitch along the face side. And the folds themselves at the very edge I stitch to make them stand up and not fall apart like the arrows on the pant. I cut the bottom edge and it's done! Very playful skirt. In the mood to dance. See you in the next video. Bye!